Hey, I am Irfan and I'll explain today the important features of TOEFL iBT writing. Okay. The writing module in TOEFL iBT has 2 questions and the total length of the test is 50 minutes and the strategy for writing which you need to adopt and which is very effective strategy. First of all, I'm going to highlight that strategy, and that is power. Okay. Whenever you do any composition or you write an essay or you attempt writing a paragraph, first thing is that you plan it. P stands for plan. So plan your writing. What we do, we get a writing task and we start writing immediately without planning it. And then what happens without planning? You're not organized and you are just finding it difficult to complete your writing task. Okay, so plan. By planning, I mean that you write an outline, write the main points which you are going to discuss in that writing. Okay, so those points may be random, but you keep in your mind and you write an outline before you go for writing task. Okay, and then O stands for organize. Organize your points, like it's your main idea 1, main idea 2, main idea 3. Okay, and this is your thesis statement. These are the parts which you will highlight, which you will explain with evidence, with examples, with arguments. So that writing task becomes valid, authentic. If you write a statement without any argument, without any example, that is just a statement. But if you want to authenticate it, then you should go for the evidence, for arguments, for examples, for generalizations, for stereotypes. Okay, and from the data, if you have a data from the valid survey, you can use that in your writing as well. So this is about organization. It's about organizing your work. Okay, so these are 2 steps: planning, organizing your work before you start writing your essay or any task which is given to you. And third step is that you write, you jot down on the paper after planning, after organizing your thoughts. Now you explain the ideas in an organized manner on the paper itself. So third step is writing. But what most of the students do, that you immediately start writing without planning, without organizing, so it's not effective writing and you don't get the required marks as well. Okay, and when you start writing, then you know what you're going to highlight, what you'll explain in this essay or in the task given. Okay, even in TOEFL iBT, the first task is integrated task. Okay, so integrated task means that you are supposed to listen, read a paragraph first, and that paragraph is of 300 words almost, a short paragraph, and that after reading that paragraph, a lecture is followed by that paragraph, and you listen a lecture related to that paragraph that is in the favor of what you have read or that's contradicting it. And so these are 2 steps: reading and listening. And then you are required to write your response on what you have listened and what you have read. So the question is based on the lecture which you listened and on the reading of the paragraph. Okay, and you are asked about your opinion, the critical opinion. This is task 1 in TOEFL iBT. And the duration of this task is 20 minutes and you are supposed to write 150 to 225 words for this task.